Happy Friday. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at First Solar today. Now, I'm going to go to TAN. We have an active trade going on this solar ETF. I just like the way it's trading. I really feel like it's going to break out. Don't know when, but it just seems like it wants to go 100 plus, starting to get a little bit frisky, and if it does that, my bet is at least $1.10. That's what I'm thinking on that. But so I look at all the different solar stocks, and this is the one that looks pretty attractive. And here's why: because I can read the pattern. The 50-day moving average is the red line right there. So we get a nice breakout from a squeeze, a pullback to the red line, and then a nice rebound, and then it'll move up and then pull back to the red line. A little rebound, hovers around for a while, and then runs up again. What I'm saying is the stock doesn't like to be below the 50-day moving average, or put another way, there are buyers at the 50-day moving average who are just sitting there waiting with open arms, open hands, open wallets, everything open, waiting to buy this stock. And that's what they're doing. And it sure looks to me like that's what they just did today. And so the trend is choppy. There's no question about it. But the trend is also pretty well defined. And so if I was a betting man, I'm not, but if I was, I'd look at this type of thing here and I would say, okay, I'm looking for the stock to kind of do that. I don't know whether it's going to tag this trend line or not, but this is what I'd look for it to do. And then I'd look for it to pull back again. So we're in the middle, kind of the beginning part of this move. It's the first move up. It's up 6% from the day, right? However, if you look at where this stock was the last time, it's still got almost 10% to go before it even tests this high. And so I think you can even buy this stock right now. It's got, I would even say this is probably aggressive, but I would say it's got the potential of about 14%. It's in the right sector. Congress is spitting money at anything that's solar or electric or a lot of other things that I'm not going to talk about. But this is one of the industries that they're getting a lot of money, and I think you're going to see this stock continue to run. I want you to be a part of it. I also want you to be a part of Stock Market Mentor, just to give you a little information, just so you know, you won't be blaming me later. Next week, Black Friday, we're actually going to have a Cyber Monday sale that's open for everybody, members and non-members alike. But on Black Friday, we're only having a sale for members. Non-members aren't even going to know about it. If you're not a member, don't worry. You won't be getting any emails from me telling you what you're missing out on. But members, I'm just telling you this. I'm going to be teaching a course within the next couple months. Don't quite have a date yet, but I will by next week. It's going to be a 3-day course. 3 days, not 1 day, not 2 days, but 3 days. And that last day is going to be live trading. And the nice thing is, you don't have to go to a hotel. You don't have to get on a plane with those stupid masks that don't work, but they make everybody feel real good. You don't have to sit in the class and hope that all the bran muffins didn't get eaten during the last little break there. Drink that coffee, get that water, all of that stuff. Get the little Pepsi cans that actually aren't even 8 ounces. They're like these little tiny things that look like V8 cans. Anyway, you don't have to do all that stuff. You can just sit at home on your computer or beam it on your TV, and there you are. There I am, live and in color. So I want you to check that out if you're a member, because you're going to get a nice discount on it. Only as a member. If you ain't a member, you're not even going to hear about it. Then we'll be putting it on special later as well. It just won't be for the members only price. So if this isn't enough to get you to say, you know what? Maybe I should join as a member, even just for a trial membership. It's 30 days. Why not? So at least I may get in on this. I may not. I may look at it and go, you know what? I don't care about that. I'll just buy low, sell high. That's fine, but at least you get the chance. This is probably the longest sales pitch I've ever done. It's typically not what I do, but it's what I did. So that's all. See you Monday.